Okay, to try something boring, we're going to create a beautiful background for our most beloved item in Blender. It's of course the icosphere. What did you expect? Nobody loves the cube. Let's go to the shading editor and change it to worlds. Then add border texture and a color ramp. Then connect all the stuff. Enable viewport shading, the mapping, and a texture code. Flip the color ramp and set the scale to 10, as well as reduce it. Copy the color ramp and put it in there. Change the white to black and the black to blue. And copy and paste everything. Change the color and create an add shader. Put both in, lock the generated as well in there, and move the location by a bit. Now we have everything we need, and now we just have to copy and paste as we want and change the scale and the location. Also, don't forget to create a new add shader if you want to merge something. Then we're going to enable bloom, add a noise texture, a color ramp, and a background. Then connect all. Scale the color, change the color. You also can repeat that.